things.
What have we got here? What the?
You're scaring me.
The what? The tongue, man. Let me see the. What the?
Bam. Oh. Bop. Bada bop.
Snap!
Hey, yo!
I win again!
That's cheating! That's cheating!
George?
There's a mission!
Got the potty!
Boom. Bam. Bop.
Ah! I can't stop!
Oh.
Look out! George! Let's stay up all night and see Father Christmas!
No.
I don't want to play with you anymore! I don't want to play with you anymore!
Oh dear.
Let's give Susie a call.
Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop.
Hello, Mrs. Pig.
May Pepper talk with Susie, please?
No.
You're a victim.
What was that?
Your mum! What the hell?
And what was that noise?
Your mum!
George, you look like a clown! No!
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋。
Oh no. George is using Daddy Pig as a surfboard.
We need some old newspaper to put on the table.
Daddy Pig is reading his newspaper. No.
360. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
This must be the button.
Bop.
Is your truck strong enough?
Trust me.
Oh dear. George has slipped on the hill.
You stupid.
No, no.
What's 9 plus 10?
Always look where you're going. Then what?
What have you all asked Father Christmas for?
Your mum! Fortnite! Helicopter! Helicopter! Alright!
Avocados from Mexico.
George has asked for a
Big tree, this one. Got a big car?
No.
Our car is quite small, isn't it?
What?
What's that noise?
It's Daddy! With our tree!
Hooray!
Come on, George. It's fun. I'll teach you.
Baba Booey.
Would Teddy like some tea?
No.
You scared of bubbles?
I tell you what though, folks, that's bloody nice.
Would you like the roof down?
I don't think so, pal.
I'll just press this red button.
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
George likes playing with Mr. Dinosaur.
What's that smell?
Oh no.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Mummy!
Taco Bell.
Well done.
Oh dear. Oh dear. The car does not sound very well.
What the hell? Please. Who is that coming off the goddamn pick and roll?
Oh no.
What the hell?
George, you are
Stupid. Oh, brother, who's that on the logo? Because Jordan never did that move.
Grandad Dog runs the Grandad Dog Garage. He is very good at Grandad Dogs.
Oh dear.
Brother got the baby blue goddamn car.
the new car.
Today, Peppa and her family are going for a drive in their red car.
It's got the sky blue, man.
Let's go.
There you go, Ma. Thank you, man. Yeah.
Ready? Steady?
Your mum.
I like the bike, man.
Can you fix it, please, Grandad Dog?
Got you. Cameras. But those right there, man.
George, I'm learning to whistle. It's almost impossible. George, you look like George.
This is Elon Musk.
Oh my god, can you not swear?
You stupid.
No, not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid. George's favorite number is
21. Can you do something?
Father Christmas.
What the
Mr. Bull has just finished mending the school roof.
It'll last for years.
I can't hold on.
Yeah, and I said, well, what colour's your brigade?
Peppa and her family like the new blue.
What does the blue button do?
Let's see.
Stop the cap.
Peppa and her family got rickrolled. No.
No boy.
George.
Are you serious right now, bro?
George is washed in the washing machine.
George's clothes have got holes in them. I can see your butt.
How about this? It will keep you very warm.
Oh, my God. What the hell?
Hello, guys.
Who might you be?
Hello, my name is Gustavo, but you can call me Gus.
Hey, bro, watch your
George wants to play George.
What?
I know. Let's build George.
Oh!
Un video más, mi gente. Me gustaría saber.